So we welcome Ms. Kamna to the show. And then we
Thank
have
you so much,
Dr.
Taranji.
Yeah, and then
Thank
we
you.
have Dr. Giri Saini, who is a physiotherapist, founder of Physio Health Plus, ex-professor at Gurugram University, pelvic health expert and osteopath. So we welcome Dr. Girish also to the show.
Thank you.
So it is like a very relevant topic as we were talking about, and as we have named it also menopause mania. No, it's a mania is because of, as we talked about it, there's a lot of confusion. There is a lot of queries which needs to be addressed. So let's go to Ms. Kamna about it. So tell me, Kamna, what do you think about the symptoms that we should look on the onset of menopause, and at which age should we be aware of it?
Very good question, Shalini ji. But let me just, bring it down to a simple terms. When we say menopause basically means complete cessation of your monthly cycle, menstrual cycle for the complete 12 months. यानी एक पूरे साल जब आपको periods नहीं होते हैं तो आप clinically menopause achieve कर चुके हैं, right? You are at a stage. But एक journey है जो female के hormonal या उसकी एक biological cycle है जो प्यूबर्टी से भी पहले शुरू हो जाती है, एंड देन प्यूबर्टी एज आती है, एंड देन फर्टाइल एज, एंड देन प्री मेनोपॉज, देन menopause and the post menopause. These are the stages of a female life that one female has to go through.
Okay.
And it is very imperative, very normal because it happens with each and every female. Leaving just the aspects of one is having different kind of symptoms and the other is having a different kind of symptoms.
Absolutely.
So when we say what are the symptoms or at what age we should acknowledge this problem, if you ask me from the wellness perspective, as we are doing a wellness talk, so our objective is that we should educate our participants, or we should, or through this platform, we should tell people, all the ladies, that they should be aware of their hormonal health from the very beginning. So if the females having PCOD, endometriosis issues, or irregular weight gain, or many other symptoms, then they should be aware that something wrong is happening with their body. And once they reach the age of 35 plus, around 40s, that's the age where the pre-menopause phase starts.
Okay.
But in today's time, with the advancement of technology and new upcoming medicines and researches, our quality of lifestyle is decreasing. So females are having pre-menopause issues at the age of 30s also and 35 also. So when I address all the females, my whole objective is that they should be very well aware of the symptoms when they feel something wrong is happening with their body. At least don't refuse.
Something wrong, Kamna. What do you mean by something symptoms, and what is? Can you elaborate on it?
Yes.
What is it that you should look out for? What are the things? Because you have a normal, you are living a normal lifestyle, but then the changes start coming. So what are these changes? Those little changes, can you highlight them a little?
Yes. When we can categorize these changes into two major sections. One is physical and the other is psychological.
Okay.
So when I say physical level पर क्या symptoms हो कि एक female को address करने में आसानी हो, accept करने में आसानी हो, वो है constant उनके period cycle में issues हो. At one point of time कुछ महीनों के लिए उनके लिए वो scanty हो जाए, या कुछ महीने overflow हो जाए, या बहुत पेनफुल हो, इरेगुलर हो, ये इंडिकेट करता है कि उनकी हार्मोनल पैटर्न में डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है. इन कोऑर्डिनेशन टू इट, इन एडिशन टू इट, उनको और बहुत सारे फिजिकल सिम्टम्स लग रहे हो, जैसे कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड और इरेगुलर पैटर्न में वेट गेन होना, एंड दैट टू इट इज अराउंड एब्डोमिनल रीजन. कि अगर वो देखें, अगर वो कंपेयर करें, तो उनकी हैंड्स और आर्म्स और बॉडी पार्ट्स, लेग्स इतने हैवी नहीं है, बट उनका मेजरली जो सेंट्रल पार्ट है, नेवल के आसपास का हिस्सा है, वो इंचेस गेन करता जा रहा है.
Okay.
We always talk about, we always say कि weight loss करना है, but if you talk from the nutrition perspective, wellness perspective, we talk about fat loss. Because जो दिखता नहीं है वो ज्यादा डेंजरस है, जो दुश्मन जो एनिमी दिखे ना वो ज्यादा खतरनाक है इन कंपैरिजन टू कि जो दुश्मन दिख जाए. सो विसरल फैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ एनिमी फॉर एनी बॉडी, स्पेसिफिकली फीमेल बॉडी, जिसमें वो उनके इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स पे एक्यूमुलेट होना शुरू करता है और उनके हार्मोनल साइकिल्स को डिस्टर्ब करता है. एंड फर्दर मोर कॉन्स्टेंट फटीग रहना, हेयर लॉस होना, वेजाइनल dryness, low libido levels, and hair loss, skin dryness बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है. Sleeping pattern में changes आ रहे हैं. Quality as well as quantity of sleep is disturbed. So and then some
जो आपने के symptoms बताए, often when I talk to a lot of women, they feel कि समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. So this
exactly.
is again is not there because they don't know what is happening. They don't understand the concept of pre-menopause is also there. People just associate menopause कि जब आपका आ जाता है, that is the menopause phase. But they don't, correct, as you said, pre-menopause is where awareness needs to be done, because a lot of people are not aware of this, this term also at all. What is a pre-menopause? So this
correct,
is where
correct.
You need to stress, and I think that's a very good thing that you said. कि ये a lot of these, because being a wellness coach, a lot of people come to me कि शालिनी hair dryness हो रही है, skin dryness हो रही है, ये ये symptoms हो रहे हैं. So they don't understand this concept of it. So this is very important, and I think it's good that you elaborated it, and please elaborate it a little more so that they get it very clear in their minds.
Correct. And when I talk about the psychological symptoms, even more imperative for females to acknowledge कि वो चीजें भूलना शुरू हो जाती हैं. उनको डिप्रेशन फीलिंग या एंजाइटी फीलिंग बहुत ज्यादा आती है, इरिटेशन लेवल बढ़ जाता है अचानक से. मॉर्निंग आवर्स में फीमेल अच्छा फील कर रही है, बट सडनली आफ्टर 2 आवर्स और इवनिंग आवर्स आते आते दे हैव अ मूड स्विंग्स, दे हैव अ डिप्रेसिव फीलिंग. उनको वी कैन रिलेट कि रूम में गए और ये नहीं पता कि लेने क्या आए थे या रखने क्या आए थे. सो दैट्स अ ब्रेन फॉगिंग. सो एंड दैट्स अ things that relate कि something is wrong is happening with me. आपने बहुत बारी सुना होगा लेडीज को कहते हुए, पता नहीं आजकल मैं चीजें बहुत भूलने लग गई हूँ. So that's a very small hint. आपके साइकोलॉजिकल रिएक्शन है बॉडी का कि आप कुछ ना कुछ बॉडी के अंदर चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, जिनको एक्नॉलेज करना, एड्रेस करना जरूरी है.
Absolutely, this is so perfect. So everybody, all the women out there, please look out for these small changes that you feel and you see in your day-to-day life, because this is very important. As she said, physical and psychologically both are affected when we are having a pre-menopause and we are going towards menopause.